Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Evaporation is the pace of evaporation from the Earth's surface that occurs in lakes, rivers, wells, dams, and seas. This evaporation aims to change liquid water into gas water so that it can rise the surface of the atmosphere. The higher the sun's heat, the more water is converted into water vapor and rises into the atmosphere. When surface water is heated, the water actually boils, but only at the surface first. The heat that is absorbed directly on the top surface of the water, which is in contact with the outside air, allows the water molecules and particles on the surface to boil and evaporate instantly without having to boil all parts of the water. That's why we don't see boiling water in evaporation of surface water. Another form of evaporation is when humans and animals exhale not only CO2, car- carbon dioxide is released but also water vapor from our bodies. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.